Jane here. Today I wanted to show you guys what I packed in my bag for a trip to Seattle. I only packed one backpack and one crossbody, both from Arden Cove, so I wanted to show you guys what I brought along and how I fit everything I need for 3 days in just these two bags. So I've kind of laid everything out here, and this is the backpack. I'm going to show you what's in the backpack first. I've already taken everything out. So on this side is all of the clothes that I wear to the airport, and it's my coat, which I'm going to be wearing throughout the trip, a sweater, the undershirt, and these shoes right here. And these are also the only pair of shoes that I've brought, along with these black pants, which are also what I'm going to be wearing throughout the trip. And generally my strategy is to bring along clothes that will work well together. As you can see, they're all pretty much gray, white, navy, just so that I can mix and match. It is pretty chilly. It's February right now in Seattle, so it's pretty cold. So I brought a lot of options for different layers and knits. So those are the items that I have in my bag for the airport. And then I also have a scarf in case it gets cold. As I said, I'm here for basically 2.5 days, so I brought enough clothes for each day. Obviously, what I don't have laid out are obviously socks and bras for each day, so plan your outfits, make sure they work well together, that way you can mix and match, and also bring the appropriate undergarments for it. I also brought a dress for dinner. One of the nights we're having a nice dinner, so I wanted to bring a dress along with some tights for that. In general, when I'm packing with just a backpack, I try to put all of the things that I need the most at the top, and also things that I want accessible at the top. So all the clothing goes on the bottom. Obviously the dress can go on the bottom, and the toiletry bag and the charger will go at the top. What I like about these kind of clothing, like knits, obviously you can bundle them up and they'll be fine. These blouses from Uniqlo are wrinkle resistant, which are really nice. So you can just roll these up and put them in the backpack without worrying about wrinkles. Same thing with this dress. It has sort of this texture to it, and it has some embroidery. So even if it has some wrinkles, first of all, it's really hard to wrinkle. You can see that. So you could just roll it up and it won't be noticeable at all, which is really nice. I also brought a charger for my phone, and this is my toiletries bag, and I basically fit everything I need in this. So up here I have all of the makeup, and then all of the facial cleansers, contacts, toothbrush, things like that. I have one of these little palettes for my makeup as well. So that's what it looks like. Right before I filmed this, I did drop it and shatter one of the bronzers, so that's why it's so messy. And basically everything I need for the bathroom it fits in this bag, and it zips up. So that's everything that goes inside this backpack here. And here's the backpack all full. It is a little bit more stuff than usual because I do wear the heaviest clothing onto the plane, so that's why it's a little bit fuller than normal. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys what I packed in the crossbody here. So I have the black foil with the cut resistant leather strap. There's the card slots here, as well as the bill pocket back here where I like to put tickets as well. And this is a really nice pocket for any flat items. I also like to keep, if I buy postcards, I'll put it here because it's flat and it'll keep it straight, which is nice. In the larger pocket here, I have these two lip products, a chapstick and a lip gloss, as well as some hair ties. These are a little twist for hair buns, as well as some hand cream, mint, and eye drops in the other pocket. I also have here sunglasses, some maps of museums I went to yesterday, and some keys that are attached to the D-ring over here, so it's really easy to find. At the bottom I have some headphones, and in this pocket here, in the zipper pocket here, I also have some tissues, and that's about it. So that's all the things I packed with me for this trip. I hope you guys enjoyed it, got some insight into items I do or I don't pack, and also what can fit in all of these bags that we're selling. So if you're interested in our backpacks or our crossbody, head on over to ardencove.com and check them out. They're pretty cool. They're waterproof. The crossbodies are also anti-theft, which makes them perfect for travel. And the crossbody is basically my everyday bag, what I use for the day and into the night. And the backpack is just great for carrying a bunch of things, especially if you have a backpack, or especially if you have a laptop. It has its own laptop sleeve, which is really nice. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys have a great day. See you guys later.